So first of all, very good evening everyone. So welcome to Sambhav Smart Classes and Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. I am Sambhav Jain, Spoken English trainer and tutor. So today we will discuss a topic or just like a group discussion on a topic time management. So we all already aware about time management skills, and you are a student and I am a teacher. So just you know how precious is time for us. Okay. So one by one we will discuss about time. So how you manage your time in a regular manner in a daily life. If you are a student, so how you manage your time, just like if you are a worker, so how you manage your time. If you are any job person, or just like if you are an employee of any company, so how you manage your time. Or if you are a teacher, or just your parent, means if you are a parent of, so how you manage your time. So just you have to given a real time example of all of us. So one by one we will start this topic. So who will initiate this topic? Okay, Christy.
Okay, so time management is basically just like managing time and organizing it properly and using it nicely. Like we have to use time management, and in a student life, time management is a very important and precious thing because in student life we have to go by time to time. We have to do our work on time. If we will not do this, so there will be so many problems, and also it is so much important in our success also, because we should be punctual, and we should always not to wait for the last time. We should do our works on the time.
Okay, good. So next, Deepesh.
Time is very important for everyone. We should always on time, and time is everyone. ev- and every
Yes, time is a very important in our life because once time pass is not never come back. So we should all do our work on time, and we don't waste our time. We can next.
Actually, we should not waste our time. Okay, next, Harshit.
Okay, so everyone told about the time management, but no one gives the proper definition of time management. So, according to me, the proper definition of time management is that we have a fixed interval of time, and if we are managing our time, means we are using it effectively and in a proper way that is benefit for us.
Yes. I am just accepted your points. Okay, Harsh.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you, and we should try to manage our time because sometimes we think is that what will happen in 1 minute, what will happen in 1 second. So you don't know much, very much means too much thing can happen in 1 minute, and we should try to manage our time. And sometimes if we will don't do our work on time, so it makes us lazy, because if we will do one time, our time means if we comes to coaching at 5 a.m, but if we come at 5:15 a.m, so said that if sir was teaching us anything, so we will miss that lecture, and it will be become our daily habit. So we should try to do everything on time, and means come on time.
You are right. So, Samyak, how do you manage your time in a regular manner?
So I used to when I wake up. So I wake up on my time, which I wake up regularly and usually. So I think that whenever I need to do something, like everyone wants to do a thing, like everyone wants to achieve success. When it's our when I am a student and you are also a student. Whenever we study, so we think that we will study on the last time, or one night before, or 1 month before. So after that the result come, so we regret that, why I don't study before, and I also that's all.
Sumit.
In a time management is a very important for the student life. In an example, in student first and second, in student number first to follow the time management in study life, and second student is not follow the study life, there was a fail, and student number first to follow the time management, there was achieve the all things, but second student not achieve not fail in the life.
Actually, I don't understand what Sumit said. Anyone? Tell.
So time is very important in student life, and also time management is very important because student life is the best time to learn anything, and this is the time when we see our dreams and try to achieve them. And if we manage our time, so we can achieve our goals because too much study is not also important, and if we don't study, so it is not also good. If we study in different time intervals, so it is best for us.
Actually, what Sumit wanted to say. Anyone? Okay. Nothing.
The time is very important for everyone's life because time is unstable. Once could never come back. It helps us complete our work on time to time.
I think the youth age are just like our age, so it is it is the age in which we develop our habits, and I think that being punctual and following the time management and doing it is very important for our life, because we are student, and we will make this habit, so it will also benefit us so much. And like we are just becoming late, just waiting for 5 minutes, 10 minutes later, so I think it can become a very huge loss for us. And also, like Samyak told about the example, I also have a related example, that if you will also just solve or do the subject wise for 5 minutes only before the 1 or 2 months from the exam, so if you will follow it regularly, I think that you can do more than one day in the last time of exam.
Next.
Okay, I'm just telling about what is time management. So I want to say the time management is a planning and controlling it. We focus on a specific activities, and it helps work smarter and harder. It reduce stress and focus on goal, and it's improve efficiency and efficiency and productivity.
Manas.
So in a student life, students should be utilize their time in their good things, just like they performing our activity, just like playing and singing and dancing. It's also good at studies. In studies, they also utilize their time, but many students utilize their time with their operating phones and watching TV. It also not good for their eyes and for their future also.
Okay. So I have a question for all of you. Okay. Just every student follow the timetable, or just follow the time management. So what do you think? Means each and every student will get the first rank in the class? Is this possible?
Sir, it depends on them that how much hard work they work. I think that everyone will not get first rank, but they will get more improved, and they can achieve anything in their means later life.
Yes. If whole class will follow this, so result will be improved. Okay. Okay. Next.
So as Samyak told about student examination, that the student can do better in the exam and later he regret. So I have an example that let's suppose that I have enjoyed my whole day with joy. I don't do anything special on the day. Means all the activities that I do on one day is not benefited to me. Means I don't study, I don't manage my time. So I think that, and at the last when I go to bed, so I regret about that. So we have to learn from it, from the regression.
Yes. Correct. Anyone?
Time is a key of success. It is related to our future.
Every person helpful for time management. It will do work easily.
Every person to follow time management to achieve the everything in the life.
So everyone should follow their time.
Speak loudly.
Should utilize their time in their good studies. And I have an example of a great person, that is Benjamin Franklin, and he was a great person of USA, and his daily routine is too good, and they always save their time for their good studies, for their good health, and for their good studies.
Yes, and I am giving you a live example of myself that I regret myself when teachers give me homework. So then I think that I will do it on at classes, and when I came to classes, so I think that I will do it at home. When I came to home, so I think that I will do in night 10 to 11 a.m. and then I think that I will do in morning at 5 or 6 a.m. I will set alarm, and when alarm rings, so I think that I will do after some time. But after some time when I wake up, so I watch that the time is at 7 o'clock and I have to ready for my school. So this is the sometime I will regret.
So as we know that it's like beyond our teenager and youth. So I think that it's like Christy said, it's age to grow and develop our habits and learn about the new things. And no, and like mostly teenagers are wasting their time in like smartphones, smart devices like smartphones, PC, computer, and other distractions. So I want to tell you tips for effective time management. So first, you should create a schedule like. At this time I want to do this, and you should have a calendar of plan, like today I will do this. Like I want to say that whenever you're like when you go to bed, so first you have to write that what I have done today and what I will do tomorrow. So it will lead to success, and you have to do a lots of hard work, and you also have to taking breaks, because we should not compromisement with health, and on these factors leads to achieve success.
To manage our time in right manner, we should know about what we have to do today and weekly and monthly. You should know what are your goals. As according to them, we can manage our time in right way and we can do the works at their perfect time.
So I think that everyone can't do the time management, because it's not for means it's for all, but no one follow it for a long period of time, because they are not disciplined, they are not punctual. As I have an example of Swami Vivekananda. He was a great person and scholar, because he do his all the works on time. When he want to wake up, he always wake up on time.
Yes, I fully agree with Christy, because anyone cannot got first rank, because some people can see only percentage, because percentage is not important. Their improvement is very important.
I have an example that I also follow. It is a type of suggestion that you can set goals for weeks also, just like you have to do this for a week in a week, and you have to achieve it in any way. Just like I just have a goal that in every day I will solve 5 maths questions, and if I could not solve today, so I will have to solve 10 tomorrow. So because of this punishment, I think that by doing 5 it will be easier for me, and I do it regularly.
Yes, I am agree with you. Just you should share, or just you should make a goal or for one day, or regularly. You should make a goal for regularly or for one day. Just if you follow your rule for one day, then you will follow for another day. Okay.
Time management is way to plan and other organize, so that most work can do done, and it will help you to be creative, happy, and successful in the future.
We should make good timetable and manage our time.
My question is that time management is not only for success, means it's for our health, for our happiness, and for other things also. Do you agree with? So just share one or 2 point with that quote or that question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I fully agree with you that time management is not for the success. It is for our health and our disciplined life. It matters. It matters on our daily life, how we live, and it makes our life more easy and more comfortable.
Yeah, I am agree with you, and I also agree that it is not only for our success, and it helps us in every type of way. Like we just have to go office, or just like I think it also affects our health so much. Like we have to eat our food, and so many people just be busy and in tension. They don't have their regular food, and they also affect their health. And if they it will affect their health, it will also affect their happiness.
So I am agree with all of you. So Pallav, do you want to say anything? Okay. So I am agree with all of you. Okay.
Sir, I want to say that we should never, we should try to complete our tasks, and we should never try to dodge our responsibility, and we should try to do our work on time, because in the future we will regret about it. Why I didn't get this work on time. If I will did this work on time, so I can live a happy life and healthy life.
So please conclude.
Okay. So as everyone told about the time and time management, so I think that according to my perspective, and according and it's like time is very good thing for, and when the time once the time goes, it's never come back. And so like we have to utilize the time, like just we don't we don't try to waste the time, because when it goes, it's never come back. That's all.
Okay. So we'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Have a nice day, everyone.